Good morning, students. Welcome back. We are today we are going to discuss about Unit 2 Olympic Games, Olympic movement. Today just we discuss about the history of Olympic Games. In ancient time, Olympic game was known as festive games, as it is organized to the honor of Lord Zeus. There are so many history or so many story about the organization of Olympic Games. One of them, like the Greece was divided in various small states. That's why it was known as city states, and they all time engage with fight each others. That's why the others are come and take the benefits and capture the cities. That's why, to bring a unity among them, Olympic was organized. Olympic was organized in 776 BC, where in the Valley of Olympia. In the Valley of Olympia. Here, in honor of Lord Zeus, they organized some games and Olympic was started in this time, 776 BC. In this game, if you want to participate, there was some rules. What are the rules? The rules, like, first of all, the participant must be Greek. Only the nationality of Greece, they can participate in Olympic game. Number 2, all participants must be participate in naked position. For that issue, number 3 rules, no women candidate were allowed in this game as a participant and nor spectator. Women were not allowed to participate as well as not as spectator. After that, they modified the rules and women candidate were participated. Next, number 3, no criminal record should be attached with the participants. That means if they have any criminal record, they are not allowed to participate in this game. Next rules, the participant must stay 1 month before from the date of Olympic in the Valley of Olympia. They were stay in the Valley of Olympia 1 month before and they practice there. After that, in the date of Olympic, they are participate. In this situation, or among these rules, every states are participated in these games of Greece, and the Olympic was organized like this. From first day, they made a festival. They arranged a puja of Lord Zeus. Then they devote a animal. They were sit together and take food there. After that, they will participate in these various games. These games were organized approximately 1000 years. After that, in 394 AD, ancient Olympic was stopped by Roman king Theodosius. The reason was like, in that time Greece was captured by Rome, and the Roman soldiers were willing to participate in this game, but according to the rules, no others will participate in this game. They could not participate in these games. That's why they tortured the competitors and they took fire in the tent of competitors. So many competitors were killed. That's why the Roman king Theodosius stopped that game in 394 AD. There was some awards in this game. In modern Olympic, we know that gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal, first, second, third, and up to 6th position there was the certificate. But in ancient Olympic, there was the food grains animals as award. After that, crown of olive tree was added. A statue of winners were made. A poem was composed where the name of the winners were recorded. That was the award. After stopping in 394 AD, stopping near about 1500 years, Baron P.A.T. Coubertin, B.P.D. Coubertin, date of birth 1st January 1862. He was a France. He started his studying with Sainik Academy. After that, he started the study with political science. And during that time, he came to know the problems of national and international countries. And he made a dream that during a game that problem can be solved. That's why in 1896 he arranged Olympic again, and he known as the father of modern Olympic. He arranged that game at 1896 AD in Athens. As the origin of Olympic was Greece, that's why he arranged that game in Greece, Athens. To arrange modern Olympic, he was helped to Greece government to make a stadium to arrange Olympic Games in that time, economically and probably also manpower. for modern Olympic, the French educator Father Didon make a motto which was composed with 3 Greek words: Citius, Altius, and Fortius, which means faster, higher, stronger. This motto was made by Father Didon for modern Olympic, and Baron P.D. Coubertin made a design of Olympic flag which was like 5 interlocked rings in a white silk, and these 5 rings represent 5 continents. The color was blue, yellow, black, green, red. 5 continents represent with 5 colors and 5 rings in a white silk. That means the interlocked rings are represent the unity with 5 continents in space. White silk that represent the space. So this is the Olympic history. In next class we will discuss the every Olympic topics in details. Okay, to discuss this much. After that we will come again. Stay home, stay safe.